So you might be in a situation where you're getting this type of pop-up on your Snapchat account, which tells you that you're getting the Snapchat support code of C08A, and you're trying to figure out how to fix it. Now, number one, this type of pop-up comes up for a lot of different reasons. Number one, I would recommend just double checking your internet connection and your data connection. So before we get too deep into it, just go inside of your settings of your phone and just make sure you're connected to some sort of Wi-Fi connection. Make sure you're connected to some sort of Bluetooth, or not Bluetooth, but cellular connection if you need it. That's going to be one of the easier ways of kind of addressing and fixing this problem. Because for a lot of people, you might be running into that type of issue, and that would be kind of the first things I'd recommend starting with. Now, if that doesn't seem to be the problem, the next thing I'd recommend doing is just closing out of Snapchat. So completely closing out of the Snapchat application and opening up Snapchat once again, and you want to see if that ends up fixing it. Chances are it's like a 10% chance that'll end up fixing it. What's really probably going to end up doing it is if you double check whether Snapchat servers are down or if they're up. Meaning, if you go inside of your internet browser like this, and if you type in the website downdetector.com, so down detector just like this, or another website like this, it's probably going to show you some sort of outage like this. So if there's big spikes on Snapchat like it is kind of earlier today, then that means Snapchat is basically down, and you're essentially going to have to wait it out until they end up fixing the problem. So those are kind of the main ways to go ahead and do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.